I think we have shown a top performance last year, and the car was on a good position in the 24-hour race, and the Falken tire was on top level, or is on top level, and I think it's good for the future. And for this year we have good test sessions last year and good Falken tire for the 24 hours race this year, and I think it will be good this year. I think my connection to Falken Motorsport is a special connection because my father drives on the Falken on the Nürburgring with the Nissan Skyline in the past, and it was the first time for Falken on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, and for me it's a special thing to go with the tradition together with Asch and Falken, and for me it's special, and I think we can go in the podium, and I think it's good. Sometimes you have disadvantages, and I think the victory list from my father is not so easy to overtake him, and I think that's the disadvantage. Yes, I think Bernd Schneider, he drives against my father in the 90s in the German DTM, and now he drives against me. He drives another car, but for me it's a special thing to drive again him, and in the past my father drives against him. I think it's good. I think it's not so easy to balance it, but I study automotive engineering, and I think it's the same part of it, of motorsport, and the automotive engineering is near. It's near, and I think it's easy to handle it because I can learn more things about it in my study, and I can learn something in the motorsport for my study, and I think it's good. It's no problem. You must have a good physical fitness, and your body must always go on the limit, and that's the important thing. You must do all day sport, and all day it's okay, but 2 or 3 times in the week I go with the bike, and I go jogging, and sometimes I go in a fitness studio, and I think it's an important thing. I think important is a precise handling and good behavior for the aquaplaning, and you have a good long life. Tire is good, and I think the price of the tire must be okay also. Yes, I drive the Falken FK453 on my Ford Focus RS. It's a high-performance tire from Falken, and the tire have a good handling and a good price. I think it's a good tire for the street. Wave your Falken flags for us. We try to drive on the podium at the end of the 24-hour race.